Hey there, welcome back to Sayogini, and I'm so happy that you're here. If your mind has been racing lately from one thought to the next and from one worry to the next worry, and you just can't seem to slow down, trust me, you're not alone. Overthinking can be absolutely exhausting, and trying to think your way out of it can only make it worse, right? But your breath, that's different. It's quiet, it's simple, and when it's done with intention, it can actually change and shift what's going on in your brain and your body. Today, we are going to do two powerful breathing techniques from yoga. First is Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing, and second is Bhramari, the humming bee breath. No experience is needed. Just follow along with me and let's breathe through this noise together. Now let's sit comfortably on the floor or on a chair or anywhere you are comfortable. You can also lean back against the wall for back support. Keep your left palm on your thigh and raise your right hand. Now I want you to fold your index finger and your middle finger, and these three fingers will be out like this. Now take your hand in front of your face. Now gently you will use your thumb to close your right nostril and you will use your ring finger to close your left nostril, and you will have to keep switching. So let's try this for one round. So gently keep your thumb on the right nostril to close it and inhale through the left nostril. Close the left nostril using your ring finger and open up your right nostril and exhale out through the right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril. Gently close your right nostril using the thumb and open up your left nostril and exhale out through the left nostril. So this completes one round of Anulom Vilom. We will repeat this 4 more times. So gently close your right nostril. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your left. 1, 2, 3. Breathe normally and bring your palms down and relax. Take deep breaths at place. Keep breathing. Keep your breath soft and steady. With every breath, you are inviting more balance, and you are balancing your thoughts and your emotions. Take deep breaths. Relax your shoulders. Now gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, and we will do humming bee breath now. In this breath, you have to take a deep inhalation, and while exhaling, you have to make a humming sound like a bee. I want you to feel those vibrations in your lips, your face, and your chest. The vibration does something really magical. It soothes you from the inside. Let's begin. Take a deep inhalation. Exhaling, make a humming sound. Inhale, exhale. We will do 4 rounds of this, and you can do it at your own pace. Take a deep inhalation. Keep breathing normally. Relax your shoulders. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Feel the warmth. Now slowly blink your eyes inside the cup and slowly bring your hands down. I want you to notice how you feel right now. Maybe a little bit lighter. Maybe your thoughts aren't gone, but they have slowed down a bit. Now that's the power of breathing. You didn't have to figure out anything at all. Just sit and breathe. Anulom Vilom helps to balance your mind, and Bhramari helps to bring you back to stillness with sound. Together, they create a space where overthinking doesn't run the show anymore. You can come back to this practice at any time, I want you to remember that your breath is always there when your mind needs a break. Do save this video and share it. Also, this is part of my 21-day yoga habit building series. So, just in case you've missed out the earlier videos, the whole playlist is linked over here and you can start your yoga journey at any time. If you feel calm, then please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.